Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and one of the most fascinating celestial bodies in the universe. With its swirling clouds, massive storms, and dozens of moons, Jupiter has captivated astronomers and space enthusiasts for centuries. We will explore the history of Jupiter, from its formation to its current state, and examine some of the key discoveries and scientific theories related to this gas giant. Formation of Jupiter. Jupiter is thought to have formed about 4.6 billion years ago, around the same time as the rest of the solar system. According to current theories, Jupiter formed from a massive cloud of gas and dust that surrounded the young Sun. As this cloud began to collapse under its own gravity, it began to spin faster and faster, eventually flattening into a disk shape. As the disk of gas and dust continued to spin, it began to clump together into small particles, which eventually grew into larger bodies known as planetesimals. These planetesimals collided and merged over time, gradually forming larger and larger objects, including the planets of our solar system. Jupiter is thought to have formed relatively early in the history of the solar system, and its massive size is thought to be due to its position in the disk of gas and dust surrounding the young Sun. Jupiter's strong gravitational pull was able to draw in a large amount of gas and dust from its surroundings, allowing it to grow much larger than the other planets in the solar system. Structure of Jupiter. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning that it is primarily composed of gas and does not have a solid surface like the terrestrial planets. Its atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with small amounts of other elements such as methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Beneath its outer atmosphere, Jupiter has a thick layer of hydrogen gas that gradually becomes denser and more compressed as you move towards the planet's core. At the very center of the planet is a rocky core, which is thought to be about 20 times more massive than the Earth. Jupiter's atmosphere. One of the most striking features of Jupiter is its atmosphere, which is characterized by its swirling clouds and massive storms. The most famous of these storms is the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging on Jupiter's surface for hundreds of years. These winds can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour, making them some of the fastest in the solar system. Jupiter's moons. Jupiter is also known for its large number of moons, which currently number at least 79. Some of the most well-known of these moons include Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Europa is thought to have a subsurface ocean of liquid water, making it a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, and Callisto is known for its heavily cratered surface. Exploration of Jupiter. Pioneer 10 and 11. These two spacecraft were the first to fly by Jupiter, in 1973 and 1974 respectively. They provided the first close-up images of Jupiter and its moons. Voyager 1 and 2. These two spacecraft flew by Jupiter in 1979, providing even more detailed images and data on the planet and its moons. Galileo. This spacecraft orbited Jupiter from 199. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.